Are you looking for the best software for editing videos for YouTube? In this video, we will look at some of the best software for editing videos for YouTube on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Premiere Pro. The best software for editing videos for YouTube professionally. For professional YouTubers, the best software for editing videos for YouTube is Premiere Pro. This cross-platform software is packed with powerful features and flexible collaboration tools. Used throughout the TV and movie industries, it's the route to the kind of slick production values that will take your channel to the next level. No wonder famous YouTubers use Premiere Pro to edit their videos, including PewDiePie, Zach from Jerry Rig Everything, Theo Joe, Linus Tech Tips, Jake Paul, Smosh and Devin Supertramp. You'll find support for 4K, 8K and VR formats, and the ability to edit collaboratively via a virtual screening room. Other useful features including automatic audio and video syncing, the ability to pull in motion graphics from After Effects, and being able to watch a clip and edit it at the same time. At number 2. Final Cut Pro. The best software for editing videos for YouTube on Mac. If you're looking for subscription-free software for editing videos for YouTube, we'd recommend Final Cut Pro, previously known as Final Cut Pro X. Well, as long as you have a Mac, because it's not available on Windows. First launched in 2011, Final Cut was the only serious player in this field for many years, and has been used to edit countless Hollywood films. Famous YouTubers using it to edit their videos include iJustine, Marks Brownlee, Austin Evans, Dude Perfect and Jonathan Morrison. It's available for a one-off fee, so is a good choice for long-term YouTubers who don't want to pay a never-ending subscription, although it's not cheap. Final Cut Pro is also a good choice if you do all your work within the Apple ecosystem, because it works super smoothly with your iTunes and Photos collections. At number 3. Premiere Elements. The best software for editing videos for YouTube for beginners. If you're just starting out editing video, you'll want something simpler than the first two tools on our list. Adobe's Premiere Elements is a stripped-down version of Premiere Pro, so you get all the standard tools you need for video editing, in a simpler interface, and at a one-off price rather than a subscription. Beginners will appreciate the easy-to-follow interface, clear navigation, video creation wizard, step-by-step tutorials and choice of 3 editing modes. For those with a little more experience, Elements comes with a number of clever and useful features, such as face detection, audio effects and soundtracks, noise reduction, automatic feature detection and guided edits. At number 4. Filmora. Filmora is great for a beginner and is easy to use. I found the interface very intuitive and was exporting my first video in about 30 minutes. I would recommend this to people who are new to video editing and don't need the capabilities and features of a professional package such as Adobe Premiere. Overall, Filmora is excellent. It's fairly fast, easy to learn, and offers enough advanced features to keep you content for years. Pros: Filmora isn't super expensive, but it is a full-fledged filmmaking software suite suitable for amateur and professional filmmakers. At number 5. Camtasia. Its user-friendly interface, coupled with its powerful features, makes it an excellent choice for anyone looking for a simple yet powerful video editor. Apart from recording first-rate videos and audios, Camtasia is good for video editing. When assessing the two solutions, reviewers found Filmora easier to use. However, Camtasia is easier to set up and administer. Reviewers also prefer doing business with Camtasia overall. Reviewers felt that Camtasia meets the needs of their business better than Filmora. Filmora is another Camtasia alternative you'll want to take a look at. But Filmora is the ideal software tool for beginners who are looking to use some advanced functionality when it comes to video editing capabilities, but aren't looking to do anything too extreme. July 24, 2021. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.